Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 1 from EMD6M4A. Our team members are Muhammad Khairul bin Tula, Haikal bin Mohammad, Muhammad Azzeim bin Suhaimi, and me, Fadila binti Muhammad Rashid. Today we are going to present our project for Control Engineering MEC 522. Our project name is Laundry Line System. We distribute the work equally, which is we all together are seeking ideal combination. Azzeim and Khairul are doing circuit diagram and coding configuration in Tinkercad. Me and Haikal are doing a slide presentation. Haikal and Khairul are doing code, text and simulation. And lastly, me and Azzeim are compiling the work. Next. For problem statement, we have 3 problem statements. First, worrying about clothes when the owner is not home. We often worry about our clothes on drying rack when we go out. This is because our drying rack are exposed to rain. It is possible that it will rain before we get home, which can make our clothes wet and dirty. Then we have to wash them again. Therefore, we create this laundry line system that will prevent the shirt from getting wet because of the rain. Second is time consuming. I am sure that we have other things to do besides observing the clouds and the weather outside, just in case something happens, like we fall asleep and suddenly it's raining outside and our clothes are at drying rack. This causes our clothes to get wet and dirty. That causes us to do the laundry circle again. So this is time consuming. Next is take up too much space. Usually the traditional drying rack are located at large area, but with automatic drying rack, the rack will not be taking too much space because the rack can be folded nicely when it is not used. Next. Objective, we have 3 objectives for this system. First, learn more about Tinkercad simulation. Second, create an alternate solution using Tinkercad. And the last one is enhance control system knowledge. Next.
The background idea. The background idea for the laundry line system is to design a laundry line system that help people to secure their clothes from the condition like rain. The laundry line has a light that indicate the surrounding condition. It will turn on when the day is dark or the rain occur. The laundry line also will close itself when the weather turn to rain to avoid the clothes from wet. So the function for the system, we use a photoresistor that changes its resistance when light shines on it. Second, we use soil moisture sensor that measure or estimate the amount of water in the soil. And the last one, DC motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, which is move the laundry line. So the component that we use in the system is first Arduino Uno R3, second is breadboard, third is wires, fourth is soil moisture sensor. Next, we use also DC motor, LED RGB, resistor, and also photoresistor.
Moving on to the coding side, we by using the Tinkercad software, we code the program for our system clothing line. So we first initialize the ambient, the soil moisture, and we proceed to writing the program where the pin mode A0 here would be the input, and the pin mode 13, 8 and 12 would be the output of the system. So we initialize analog A0, which is the input to the ambient, which is the sensor, photoresistor, and the soil moisture we initialize to 0. Yeah, for in case of the light detection. And moving on to soil moisture, when we indicate the resistance is less than 100 in this line, uh, we assign it to analog read A0, which is the input. Okay. For digital write 13, 8 and 12. For 13 and 8, which is low, and 12, which is high, whenever the system detects a high resistance, the system will make the RGB LED turns to green to red, and for whenever the system detect a low resistance, RGB returns to green, and the high resistance will cause the motor to turn. Okay.
Okay, next we will proceed to simulation. Before that, I would like to share my screen. Okay, this is the circuit view of our project. So we start the simulation now. So consider that now is the rain is falling, so the soil moisture sensor will detect the moisture from the rain. When the sensor detect the moisture, the LED will turn into red. So when the LED turn into red, the DC motor will turn on so that the laundry will fall up, and then when the weather is stop raining, the DC motor will stop moving. So the light also turn into green. So in other case, when the rain is start to fall, and then the rain is stopped, and then the photoresistor detect the light. The LED also will turn green. Thus, the DC motor also stop working. Okay, next we proceed to the summary of our project. Okay, by utilizing the knowledge and application of the Tinkercad and Arduino, we can make our daily activity much easier. For example, for our project, by having such a product, we can make the activity or laundry activity become easier in our daily life, because we cannot predict when the weather is raining or not. So that's all from us. Thank you.